Today at Secret Super Chef, we have chicken buds, a crispy biscuit crust stuffed with chicken filling. You can use any kind of stuffing, but today we have used barbecue chicken filling. Let's begin with our crust. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup sour curd. Make sure the curd is sour. To this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons milk. Here I have used full fat milk. Now I am going to add the white part of 1 egg. Reserve the yolk. Mix everything together. Use a whisk to remove all the curd lumps. Whisk till you have a nice smooth texture. Add salt as per your taste. Here I have added 1.5 teaspoon. Also add 1 teaspoon sugar. I'll now add half tablespoon baking powder. Mixing curd and baking powder gives a nice acidic reaction and in turn results in nice crispy flaky outer covering. You'll notice that the mixture is all foamed up, which is all right. Let's add the flour. Here I'm using 1/4 cup. The flour here is sieved. To this, I'm going to add soft butter. Here, I'm using 3 tablespoon butter. This is salted butter here. Now, using your hand or a spatula, you can knead a soft dough. I prefer using my hands here because it allows me to feel the texture and the consistency of the dough. We won't require any water here. Whatever liquid ingredients we use, that will suffice and it will give us a nice soft dough. Though not a very soft dough, but easily pileable. Knead the dough for a few minutes. As you can see, it's a very nice soft dough. And it's hardly taken few minutes for me to get the whole thing together. Now, leave it in the bowl. Let's cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now for the filling, here I have 200 grams of boiled shredded chicken, which I have fried with little salt and pepper in 1 tablespoon oil. To the chicken, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. You can use any brand cream cheese here. Into this mixture, add 4 tablespoons of thick barbecue sauce. Adjust the seasoning as per your taste. I have not added anything more since everything was added while frying the chicken. Mix everything thoroughly and set this mixture aside. Now let's get back to our dough. Take a dough and divide it into equal portions. I have divided my dough into 5 equal portions. You can divide it into 6 as well. Adjust the dough and divide them into equal portions. Roll each ball nicely and make it into a nice round shape. Repeat this for all the divided rolls and set it aside. Cover and let these dough rest for another 30 minutes. Make sure to always give your dough a nice resting time. This will help in good baking. Now let's assemble our buds. Take one portion of the dough and start rolling it. If you want, you can use a rolling pin or you can simply flatten it out with your hands. The dough is pretty soft, so you will not need any additional flour for dusting. Place a generous amount of a chicken filling on one side. Now using a knife, from the center of the rolled dough, make an cut. You're simply making a cut in the chapati from the center to one side. Gently roll it into a cone shape while sealing the edges from all the sides. Make sure to tuck the filling inside as well and keep sealing the sides. Now turn it once again and again try to seal the edges. Since it's a circle, all together we are going to turn thrice and then keep sealing it. So at the end, it will look like a cone or our Indian samosa. Seal it nicely and tightly from all the sides and from the bottom as well. Now turn our bud and seal all the edges from behind so that our filling does not pop up. While doing so, press and nicely give a shape of a rose bud. From top, it looks like a nice cone but also gives a visual effect of a bud. Prepare all the chicken buds similarly and set them aside in a baking tray. Now let's prepare our egg wash. We had reserved our yolk. In that yolk, add 2 teaspoons milk and just whisk it together. Whisk it thoroughly so that there are no lumps in it. Brush all our chicken buds with this egg wash thoroughly. Make sure to apply 2 to 3 coats. This will result in nice golden crust. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake these chicken buds for 25 to 30 minutes or till they turn golden brown in color. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like our recipes, humble request to subscribe to our channel and like our recipes. Thank you.